I pozdrav svima ljudi, moje ime je Luksi i dobrodošli u novi video. U današnjem videu ćemo pričati o tome kako je Fortnite izgledao na početku ili ti vam ga u sezoni 0 kako ja volim da je nazivam. Tako da za danas imam neku montažu koju je omogućio Antosha TV, tako da možete da ga posjetite, imate njegov link Twittera i kanala dole u opisu. Tako da bacite mu neki sub i follow, također možete i na ovom videu da ostavite veliki like kao što uvek radite. Tako da obavezno se i subscribe-ujte odmah pored lajka jer nas deli samo oko 860 subscribera do 10.000, tako da idemo da razvalimo i taj sub goal. Također zapratite i mene na Instagramu, upisan kao @lukamaksimov.cc, imate dole u opisu ili sad na ekranu. Tamo ću objaviti pobjednika giveawaya, a mi idemo direktno u video. Prošlo je više od godinu dana od kako je Fortnite izbačen i mogu vam reći da su ljudi u početku bili žešće nubače, znači najveći od najvećih nubača, plebače. Znači niko nije gradio, niko nije znao bukvalno da drži pušku u ruci, a sada ti ljudi koji su igrali mogu sve da nas skeruju, barem većina ako znate na šta mislim. Također dosta OG skinova koji su došli u to vreme su sada sjebani i sam znaš Skull Trooper. Također dosta itema i grafika je bila dosta drugačija u početku i ako ste imali Potato Comp ili Zenga Shit Comp, mogli ste da igrate Fortnite na veoma velikom FPS-u, a sad morate da imate Space Shuttle da bi pokrenuli ovu igricu, ali nebitno, bitno je da ću vam pokazati danas ovu montažu koju nam je omogućio Antosha TV, moram opet da dam kredite jer znaš već. Ja vam puštam video, a vi uživajte u ovoj montaži, imate tu neku muzikicu, tako da pogledajte tu montažu.
We had a pretty large bank associated with the causes and warning them. And as I recall, BC was the one that had amplified on it once before.
I got this piece of me that's it's like I got a black hole deep in me. All these puzzle pieces been confusing me, and all these stars been consuming me. Sinking deep into my soul, got me thinking, whoa. Getting deeper in the hole, try and make it slow. I'm sinking deeper in my soul, got me thinking, whoa. Getting deeper in the hole, try and make it slow down. I got this piece of me that's make it slow down. I got this piece of me that's lately I've been out on a mission, driving around reminiscing. Remember how they said stay in tune with your intuition? Now I'm fighting with something larger, and it's pulling harder. Vortex trying to suck me into that dark side, and it's getting stronger. But I've been there, and I learned, bro, that's the way we flip birds, though. Built an empire, burnt yours, blue stacks and an mode. But I never go into that wormhole. I've seen how the shit pans out. Once you see the lights start to bend, there's no chance you get back out. So don't think that I don't see the whole spectrum like UV with IR going light speed. Blackstone in my jump seat, cockpit filled with OG smoke. That's what I call G. Folks know O2 just O-rings, we throw V's, we don't need coordinates. I had this bad bitch, I was fucking with her, until she let these fuck boys in the picture. All these lil D's and these young Nats, y'all should relax, y'all sound like some lil sisters. I got this piece of me that's it's like I got a black hole deep in me. All these puzzle pieces been confusing me, and all these stars been consuming me. Sinking deep into my soul, got me thinking, whoa. Getting deeper in the hole, try and make it slow. I'm sinking deeper in my soul, got me thinking, whoa. Getting deeper in the hole, try and make it slow down. Make it slow down. Make it slow down.
Late at night I walk the streets alone, contemplating my next move, plotting on the throne. You're only good as your last hustle. Don't get mad, hustle and go get your stacks bundled. Don't come get your raps mumbled, I'll make sure your ass humble. Gon' get your ass crumbled, they gon' find you in the streets. Body laying full of leaks, they gon' cover you with sheets. Ain't gon' be none left but teeth by the time I'm done with these overnight celebrities. Yeah, y'all don't want this beef, I'm fillet your ass quick, 400 degrees. I souffle your ass, bitch, make cooking look easy. Tell your bitch something slick, she likes when I'm greasy. She says she feeling wheezy, I'm her inhaler. I like my money young, she likes my skin paler. She says she likes my tongue, so I cuss like a sailor. Screaming fuck a yacht, we on an oil tanker.
I got this piece of me that's you. It's like I got a black hole deep in me. All these puzzle pieces been confusing me, and all these stars been consuming me. Sinking deep into my soul, got me thinking, whoa. Getting deeper in the hole, try and make it slow. Sinking deeper in my soul, got me thinking, whoa. Getting deeper in the hole, try and make it slow. Make it slow down.
Power down until we get a delta of 10 amps, over. Call control, Houston. That last report from Laos asked the 13 crew to reduce the electrical load on the spacecraft.
To bi bilo to za današnji video, nadam se da ste uživali, koliko jeste obavezno lupiti like, share i subscribe kako ne biste propustili nijedan novi video, jer izlazi svaki dan, tako da podelite kanal i hajde stignemo do kraja godine do tih 10.000 subscribera i sam znaš, ne znam ni koliko sam i sam znaš puta rekao, ali glavno imate negdje sa strane i sam znaš count. Opet ljudi, hvala vam na gledanju, lupite like, subscribe se na moj kanal i zapratite me obavezno na Instagramu, pobjednik će biti proglašen na Instagramu, a mi se vidimo u sljedećem videu i čao!